That little guy. Wait, where's my camera? What? Oh, okay, this little guy right there. He's been hanging out for a while. He keeps flying back and flying around and coming back. And he's bringing friends now because I've been whistling. And like all these birds are like flying around now. Like from my whistling, look, they're on my fence. They like my bird whistle. But this little guy brought them all back. He's so cute. He's so intrigued by my whistling. Like this is the second time he's been hanging out here for so long. He's so cute.